How to fulfill order on Cj Dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can fulfill order on Cj Dropshipping Shopify. So then to begin with, check your internet connection in and log into your Shopify account. Now in order to fulfill your order on Cj Dropshipping, first of all you need to make sure that you've already connected Cj Dropshipping. If not, open up a new tab and then log into your cjdropshipping.com. So after you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the page and it's gonna look something like this. Right over here, you'll need to scroll down and select for the item that you wish to purchase or add to your dropshipping product. Now, for example, I'm going to go ahead and select the right product that you need to span the product details. After that, it's going to take you to this kind of info page here. You need to go ahead and tap on the connect button. First of all, because you need to link Shopify to your Cj Drop. So then tap on connect. Now go ahead and tap on add store, which is located right at the bottom, and go through the above authorization and click on authorize, which is right over here. So since you have not installed the application on your shopify.com, so you'll need to install it first of all. After that, it's going to sync. So after you're done installing the application on your Shopify, it's going to show something like this. So go ahead and tap on the authorize button and make sure to confirm your identity. It has been successful, and you need to head back to the same page of that particular where you actually were selecting the product. Now select the product once again. After that, go ahead and tap on list, which is located right over here, and here you'll need to make sure to enter in all of the information. So go through it all, and once you've done entering the information, go ahead and tap on listed now, which is right at the bottom. Click on listed now button. As soon as you've done that, on the other interface you'll be able to see a pop-up menu, and from there you can just go ahead and tap on view image, and after that it's going to redirect you to the Shopify page. So once you've done that, you'll be able to see that the product has been added to your Shopify dropshipping product, and that is basically how you can fulfill orders on dropshipping. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.